Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, well, we're in my house, my dining room. We got a little grow table over there that's got some nepenthes growing on it. You can see the humidifier going. If you look on my window, you can see my new lean-to greenhouse out there. That's so awesome. Being like, you have the view of the greenhouse right from your dining room. It's so cool. But today we're working on the table with an unboxing video. Possibly one of my most exciting unboxing videos yet. This giant box here is from the good people at Mars Hydro. Mars Hydro is a lighting company, an LED grow light company, and they have been kind enough to send me a huge LED light. So we're going to open it together. As far as I know, this is going to be the Mars Hydro Reflector 192. So let's have a look and see what this looks like. I'm just using a razor blade here to gently cut open this box because I'm assuming that there's another box inside it. But they have said that this light will basically illuminate my entire grow space. My indoor greenhouse downstairs is about 4 by 5 square feet footprint. And yeah, they're telling me that this light is going to replace all my other lights down there. So that is really, really exciting to me. To have one plug-in instead of, I don't know how many I have down there now, 6? Something like that. So, let's have a look at this. This is a completely first look for both of us. Now I must say, I have done some other LED light unboxing videos and showing you guys some of the other equipment that I've been using. This is like a whole other league of light. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my God. Whew. This is just amazing. So look at that. That is the first look for me at the Mars Hydro 192. This thing has got 192 5-watt lights in it. And it looks amazing there. Let's just have a little zoom in before we go much further. Wow. So over on the side, if I reach across, we have a series cord and a series hanging kit, like really serious. They're heavy duty. So we're just going to unbox today, but we will plug it in and give you a quick look at it. So I will undo this cord here, but that'll be about as far as we're going to do. I think I will do a setup video with you guys though on how we actually set this thing up. So I'm going to leave the hooks for now. We'll put them onto the side with the cord, and let's see how I can get this thing out. So it is much bigger than I'm used to. And so solid. I can't get over how solid this thing is. Wow. Look at that. It is just a beautiful thing. So, first impressions, other than the sheer weight of it and the quality of it, everything is, it feels like steel, aluminum. It's heavy, it's solid. These are little screw-in individual panels here. That does feel like plastic potentially, but the rest of it in between is definitely solid. Can you see the back of it here? Let's look down. Let's look down and turn it around. So we have our hanging hooks. They are, feels like brass maybe, looks like brass. There's where we plug it in. It does have 2 large fans in there for cooling, and it has a heat sink in there as well for keeping things cool. Do not use light under regulated voltage, not waterproof. Sulfur and acids forbidden. Other than that, wow, this thing looks so nice. Okay, what else can I tell you about this? It is full spectrum. And we have 2 modes. We have growth mode and we have bloom mode. Growth has a little leaf by it. Bloom has little flowers by it. So that's really cool. Now each one of these, now altogether, I'm told we have 410 watts when both are running, but you can run each one individually as well for about 190 watts each. And in future videos, I will put that to the test. We'll hook it up to a wattage meter and see exactly what it draws. But for now, let's just get this guy on the table and plugged in for a look. Okay. I'm going to get rid of the box. Okay, I unloaded the box. In the box, I found the warranty card. I found the instructions. And yeah, it gives you a few specs on it. It talks about the PAR. You can test the PAR at a later date. The spectrum. So that's nice there. We should have about, being it's a full spectrum light, we should have about 35K for a spectrum. And let's see here. Make sure you're in good focus. A bit of setup instructions for it. So recommended hanging distance above the plants. Seedlings, 24 inches. Germination, 24 to 30 inches. Veg, 18 to 24. Flowering, because flowering takes the most light, 12 to 18 inches. And veg is 18 on, 6 off, or 20 on and 4 off. So that's nice. A lot of lights, they really give you, like, they don't want you to be on for more than 12 hours at a time. So being that it's in the book that you can run it for 20 hours, that's pretty amazing. Flowering, 12 on, 12 off. Of course, it's going to tell you the temperature and humidity, in which it should be about 75 to 85, 50 to 70% humidity. Few frequently asked questions and troubleshooting. So we'll skip those for now because I'm not expecting any trouble on it. It does say it's good for about a 4x4 space, so mine's just a touch bigger than that, but we'll see how it goes. That first foot at the door, there's not really much growing anyways. So let's put that in there. Only one way that can get plugged in. That plugged in smooth, but totally solid. And I'm going to come around the other side of the camera here. I just have a plug-in off camera. We are now plugged in. So what should we look at first? The fans working or the lights? Of course, we should look at the lights. So let's have a look here and see what we can find. We'll turn it sideways, which is actually brand name up. And I'm really excited for this. There it is, and wow, is it bright. That is the growth mode. And the bloom mode, which is a lot redder. So, and then you can do both together, which just gives you serious light. Holy man, that's awesome. I can feel when the lights are on, the fans are definitely working, and I can feel airflow through all these vents up here and along the sides just off camera. So that's nice, really good airflow. Makes a slight noise, nothing that is at all irritating, just to let you know it's basically running. And yeah, we'll have one more look down here. Okay, so that fan runs on one side. And it looks like they both run at the same time. So that's a draw in, and then the air is getting blown out all over the place to keep it nice and cool. Wow, I will say, what a light. That is absolutely incredible. So I just wanted to thank Mars Hydro for this, letting me have the opportunity to have a look at it, play around with it, and yeah, use it. And we can work with this together. So the next video, we're going to try to figure out how to get this guy set up down there. We'll rip out all the other lights. I'll rip out all the other lights, and we'll get this guy set up down there together and see how it looks. First impressions together. So anyways, I hope you like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, reviews on LED lights, other reviews, future updates on this, because we'll definitely have more on this light here, the Mars Hydro 192 450 watt full spectrum light. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye for now, guys.